Equilibrium index. Balance the sum on both sides. Find the position where the array balances. Use -7, 1, 5, 2, -4, 3, 0. At index 3, both sides add up to -1. The value at the index does not belong to either side. Return the first balanced index. Write the input array from left to right. The input array is -7, 1, 5, 2, -4, 3, 0. Ignoring -7, the left side totals 0 and the right side totals 7, so this index does not balance. Ignoring 1, the left side totals -7 and the right side totals 6, so this index does not balance. Ignoring 5, the left side totals -6 and the right side totals 1, so this index does not balance. Ignore 2 itself. The left side and right side both total -1. This is the balanced index. Equilibrium index comes down to 3 ideas. Compute the total sum once. Maintain the sum strictly left of the current index. The index balances when left and right sums match. O of n time and O, 1, extra space. The solution sets up the state for this rule. Balance the sum on both sides. Compute the total sum once. Maintain the sum strictly left of the current index. The index balances when left and right sums match. O of n time and O, 1, extra space.